Welcome to WealthSync, your trusted space for making finance simple, relatable, and real. Today, we're diving into something absolutely crucial, especially if you're between an age group of 18 and 30 years, managing money in the digital age. We're living in a world where UPI, credit cards, Insta ads, and buy now, pay later offers are everywhere. Exciting? Yes, but also full of financial traps if you're not careful. Today, young adults are navigating a financial landscape shaped by digital tools and constant change. With UPI payments reaching 21 trillion rupees per month and credit card debt rising over 50% in 3 years, the stakes are higher in 2025. At the same time, household savings have fallen from 36% to 42% of GDP, and early career professionals juggle student loans, rent, and digital subscriptions. And that's exactly why financial literacy isn't optional anymore. It's survival. Let's decode how you, as a young adult, can master your money, avoid debt traps, and grow your wealth. Right from your phone. First things first, budgeting. If you don't control your money will control you. But let's be honest, budgeting sounds boring, right? Well, not anymore, thanks to smart apps and simple techniques. Also, if you believe it or not, mutual fund SIP flows have more than doubled in the last 3 years, moving from 1 lakh crore rupee in FY22 to 2 lakh crore rupee in FY24. But 75% of SIPs still get cancelled quickly, indicating poor financial discipline. To stay consistent, begin with the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, rent, bills, groceries, 30% for wants, dining, shopping, Netflix, 20% for savings and investments. Combine this with zero-based budgeting. Every rupee has a job. Simple, realistic, and proven effective. Every rupee you earn has a job. Whether it's for bills, savings, or fun, nothing is left unassigned. There are dozens of cool budgeting apps like Walnut, Good Budget, YNAB, You Need a Budget. These help you track expenses, visualize spending patterns, and build healthy habits. Investing for the future. Budgeting keeps you afloat, but investing? That's how you build wealth. Investing isn't just for the wealthy. In fact, by April 2025, 10.3 crore SIP folios were active, and SIP inflows stayed at 26,000 plus crore for consecutive months. That shows more young people are getting disciplined. Start small. Just 500 rupees per month in an index fund or hybrid mutual fund. Diversify across equity, debt, gold ETFs, and digital gold. Here's the good news. You don't need locks to start investing. Small steps today equals big financial freedom tomorrow. Investment options for beginners. Mutual funds via SIPs. Index funds for passive growth. ETFs for diversified low-cost exposure. Digital gold for gold enthusiasts. Fractional investing. Own parts of high-priced stocks in U.S. stocks. And don't forget, diversification is key. Never put all your eggs, or rupees, in one basket. Robo-advisors like Grow or IND Money, they simplify investing based on your risk appetite and goals. With just a few taps, you're on your way to becoming an investor. Debt management. Avoiding the trap. Let's talk about the dark side. Debt. Credit cards, EMIs, student loans, they can empower you or trap you. Debt can be a pitfall. India's credit card usage has jumped 15% where the weir, and defaults reached 6,742 crore by December 24, a 28% rise. Understand these 3 types. Good debt, education loans, business investment. Neutral debt, home loans, if affordable. Bad debt, credit card overuse, personal loans for lifestyle. Avoid bad debt at all costs. Once you're stuck, the cycle is hard to break. Top debt management strategies. Snowball method. Pay off small debts first. Feel the wins. Debt consolidation. Merge loans into one, lower interest loan. Responsible borrowing. Borrow only what you need, not what you want. And remember, buy now, pay later isn't free money. Read the fine print. Building a secure financial future. Mastering money is not a one-time thing. It's a lifelong journey. Financial freedom requires structure. Here's how you set yourself up for long-term success. Build an emergency fund, 3 to 6 months expenses. Start SIPs. Even 500 rupees a month compounds big. Stay away from quick-rich schemes. Learn continuously. Podcasts, YouTube, books. Track your credit score. Apps like Sybil make it easy. Some useful resources. SEBI's Investor Education Portal. Apps like ET Money, Money Control for market updates. Personal finance books, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The Psychology of Money. Financial literacy is not a luxury. It's survival in today's fast-paced digital economy. If you start small, stay consistent, and keep learning, you'll not just manage your money, you'll master it. So, are you ready to take charge of your financial future? Drop a comment. I'm ready, if this video helped. And for more practical, relatable money tips, subscribe to WealthSync, your shortcut to financial wisdom. See you in the next video.